Let's take a look at the official next plan. 1. Continuing last year's POR 1.0, redeveloped and upgraded to the full version and can be fully opened. About POR. POR is the first of the public chain development team after the PAL and POS consensus protocols. The proposed set of new mechanisms are completely different from the traditional consensus format. It will redefine and allocate the resource weight of hardware service equipment. First in the world to propose that the contribution of mining machines is not only in the production of coins, there are also applications. And B, subdivide resources into 5 categories: storage resources, computing power resources, network resources, bandwidth resources, data resources, and automatically contribute 80% of the total weight of all resources to the ecology, and therefore it has a very high transaction processing capacity and application space without sacrificing decentralization at all, and has become the lowest gas cost in the industry. It also creates an automatic generation and review mechanism for effective service nodes and bans centralized custody technology parties and hardware maintainers. In the wallet, on the PORIOT native public chain, all users in the world can follow the rules by themselves in the form of individual independent accounts. The service node hardware is bound to the simple tutorial and can be used as a personal mobile terminal on the personal wallet service node page to check the block production status and personal token rewards at any time. 2. The PORIOT public chain is about to be fully open sourced. This time, its consensus protocol and underlying technical framework have been optimally upgraded. The bottom layer is supported by accounting nodes distributed in 23 cities around the world. The managers of each supernode use the cloud server to combine with the ground computer room server so as to fully consider the operating cost and have the highest quality service capabilities. Therefore, it will also be named after the city where it's located. At the same time, all consensus nodes distributed around the world synchronize data with 23 supernodes. Number 3. After the public chain and the POR mechanism are fully open source, the social environment and social resources will be fully considered. The currently running node server will be re-optimized and the parameter configuration that is most in line with the operation of the PORIOT public chain will be set. This time, perhaps it will completely end the traditional format of the existing public chain and mining machine of miners that exist only for the production of tokens. So the PORIOT public chain runs the matching hardware equipment. We call it is more appropriate to be a service node because it's close to order space computing power, bandwidth, data and other resources, and will be provided to all applications on the PORIOT public chain. All actions will generate a gas fee, so all service nodes in the world will automatically obtain the reward of the PORIOT public chain main network token according to the public weight reward rules, thus completely completing the application provider, application users and PORIOT public chain service providers. The complete and orderly cycle between the free and autonomous automation continues to run benignly, and finally invites all blockchain industry participants in the world under the condition of completely open source code and open mechanism. Jointly build the ecology application of the PORIOT public chain or become a service node to jointly provide resources for its stable operation, and you'll also receive the PORIOT public chain mainnet token ZK as a generous service reward. Number 4. PayPort wallet. At present, the application developers and various ecological users of the PORIOT public chain have grown rapidly, and the basic native applications and native service scenarios of the old version of PayPort wallet can no longer provide the most convenient and high quality services for its rapidly growing applications and users. At present, referring to the several major mainstream wallets in the whole industry to objectively review the basic just needed applications in their wallets is not complete enough. With the rapidly rising ecology of the entire industry, users and followers have grown rapidly, which does not match the service capabilities of the current market wallets. Therefore, in order to meet the explosion of the whole industry, the optimal version of PayPort Wallet will be launched on the PORIOT native public chain. It will have a HECO, BSC, Tron, ETH, PORIOT, 5-chain wallet, and 5-chain interoperability cross-chain function. B. Decentralized, KYC free social and community functions. Automatically obtain social identity based on user wallet address. C. Service node visualization mobile terminal. Generate contracts. D. At the same time, 2 major versions of Android and iOS are developed and they're quickly put on the Apple Store. E. And the Swap, NFT Mall and IDO platform are clustered in scenarios to provide the most complete application environment for many project parties and their respective users on the chain or in the wallet. Since PayPort Wallet is a fully open source on-chain wallet of PORIOT's native public chain, it can fully enjoy the high quality performance of PORIOT public chain and the lowest gas costs in the industry, and will restore a high quality and convenient experience to all wallet users. It's expected that the latest wallet will be launched before the end of April.